Welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you in Articulate Storyline how to have music playing in the background for the entire length of the course. Also, this is a quite easy thing to do because Articulate updated Articulate Storyline in when was it? I think it was April 2023 to add this feature in. There's other videos out there. There's nothing wrong with the other videos. It's just that it's a lot more complex in those videos because they were having to find workarounds of how to do this. But this is the new, improved, correct way of doing it. And let me show you how to do it. So the way to do it is in your course, click on the slide and then go to Insert and go to Audio and click on this little drop down below Audio. You then have a background audio. Now, this is what you need to be doing. You need to create a playlist. And what happens, it will play the songs in that playlist for the entirety of the course. And you're creating a playlist because you might have a song that lasts for 3 minutes, another song that lasts for 5 minutes, another song that lasts for 2.5 minutes. But your course itself might take people 20-30 minutes to complete. So you want the music to be playing throughout the whole thing. So the way to do it is to go to, as I say, create playlist, and then this box appears. Give the playlist a name. Now I'm being very creative. Alan's playlist. By the way, it's my name. Alan's playlist 1. There we go. Really technical. So give it a name, something that's going to make sense. And what you need to do is add in the tracks here. So click on this plus button for add audio. And we want to do audio from a file. Now I just need to find it, and it was saved on my desktop, and I created a folder called new folder, and we've got sample music 1 and 2. Now this could be whatever you wanted to be adding in there. I've just got some music. I'm going to add them both by selecting both at the same time, and I'll click open, or you can just add in one. So I'll just add in one to show you. So I'll click on 1, open, give it a moment. There you go, it's added sample music 1. Let's do the same process again. So the plus button, audio from file, sample music 2, open. There we go, got sample music 1 and 2. So we've got 2 different songs on the go there. But like I say, they could be anything you wanted. Then you've got some options down the bottom here, which is to fade tracks in and out, and also to loop the playlist. Now, if I only had one song on here, and if you want to delete a song, simply click on the song and click the delete icon. There you go, we're back to sample music 1 only. So if we only had one song, we had a loop playlist, it'll get to the end of the song, it's 4 minutes and 11 seconds long, and then it'll just play the song again. So it'll just keep going around in a loop, which is absolutely perfect for a lot of people. But if you wanted more, simply add in the additional tracks in the way I just showed you. You've also here got options. Lower background audio volume when slide audio plays. So if you've got narration on the slide, welcome to this training course, and so forth, what it'll do, it'll drop down the noise of these songs to 50%. And you've got pause background audio when video content plays on the slide. So again, all of these are tickable or untickable, depending on what you want to do. Or if you're in America, that you can check the box. I say that because in the UK we say tick the box. So there you go, check the box. Once you've done that, press OK. Now audio has been added to this entire course. And if you go to audio along the top here, we've got background audio, you can see that Alan's playlist, which has got 2 tracks on it, is in use. Again though, if I click on this, I can edit the playlist. So I could add in a 3rd track if I wanted to by clicking on the plus icon. I could delete one of these tracks by clicking on the track I don't want, pressing delete on it, and I could edit all of this information accordingly. Or I could delete the entire playlist if I wanted to. I don't want to do that though. I want to keep it as it is. And then what happens when you play the course? The playlist will start from the beginning, and as you work your way through the course, it'll follow you. So there won't be any interruptions as you go from one slide to another. You don't need to find some unique way of making a song last just for the length of each one. But if I go to preview, and if I preview this slide, and this is a reminder whilst we've Whilst we're doing this, please like the video, subscribe to my channel for more top tech tips and also tips on how to use Articulate Storyline. Now, I can assure you music was playing there. I'm not actually recording the audio from this computer for this video. The reason I'm not doing it is copyright. I don't want YouTube to be flagging me and for copyright reasons, but I can assure you that music is playing. I could hear it on my end. So what we have here is the volume control. So users can have that to go up or down because maybe they don't want to hear that background noise. And options in here, if you go to this cog setting, the user can also turn off the background audio entirely. Now this is useful. So maybe you want to create some kind of instruction for users on this because they might find the music annoying, but they don't want to turn all the sound off because you might have a voiceover on there. So that's an option for you as well. And that is in the cog, background audio is currently off and now it's on. You can't hear any difference because, like I said, I'm not recording the audio, but I assure you there is a difference. But if you do have background audio off, the foreground audio, so the audio of me doing a narration or anything like that will still be on this course. And the user has the ability to control it using this. What they can't do, they can't go backwards or forwards on a song. They just have to listen to the song. And the songs will last, like I say, for as long as it takes the user to complete the course. So if it is taking a user to complete this course 10 minutes, then at the end of it, it'll stop. If it takes them 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, there'll still be that background audio lasting for the entirety of the training course. Because if you've chosen the loop option, as I showed you in this part here, it's background audio, Alan's playlist, the loop playlist, it'll play for the entirety of the training course, no matter how long it lasts for. Hopefully you found this video useful and you now know how to add in audio to last for the entirety of the course. And once again, if you can like the video, subscribe to the channel. Oh yeah, if you've got any questions, please put them in the comments down below and I'll try and answer them. Or if you want me to cover any specific topics on Articulate Storyline, Rise, Camtasia, or kind of anything really, let me know and I'll do my best to record some new videos for you. Thanks for watching.